This is my back wheel. This is part 3. And yes, once again, major problems with it. If we go around this other side, I don't know if the lighting's any good in here. But down here, right here, the tyre is touching the back swing arm. And the chain is so tight. There's no adjustment on that to bring that back that much. So there we have it. I got problems with the rear wheel. There's no clearance there at all. I mean, if we look, there's enough room. If the chain was a bit longer, I think you could just about clear, but it's not enough clearance really. If anyone got any comments on this or how I can get over this, because I couldn't see anything online to tell you that you need a new swing arm. I've seen on there that some people say you can get one 4 inches longer. I mean, that would do it, but I couldn't find anywhere that sell these. The place where I got the wheels, they don't sell a swing arm, because apparently this lot fits our pit bikes. So here we have it. So this is video 3. Hopefully by video 4 I can show you the bike finished, and I can tell you how I overcome it. Once I've done that video, I can do another video if you want on how it's done, showing you a video on how I did it, any tips I can give. There's going to be a video on this stainless steel exhaust as well, because that didn't fit perfect. I had to cut the front of the exhaust where the gasket squeezes up onto your pot. I had to cut off quite a bit because the studs weren't long enough. I suppose if you could get longer studs, that would work. But then the clearance on the pan here, right here, isn't enough. As you can see, it's so tight. And I have problems with the overheating on this bike as well. I'll do a video about that as well, how I overcome that, because people on the forum said it's running too lean. So I spent a week on it, changing jets, as well, making them bigger, making it richer, but that didn't work. But anyway, I'll do a video on that, how I overcome this. So here we have it. Sad. It's a shame, because if I can get it to fit, it looks cracking with the big wheels. I'm supposed to be riding in a couple of days' time, but I think I'm going to have to cancel. Right, cheers folks, bye.